In this video, I will show you step by step how we take out the braces at the end of the orthodontist treatment. It's very simple. There are many different instruments to take out the brackets. This is one of the kind that actually is instructed by this technique. Normally you're supposed to use the bracket removal. I'm actually using the wire cutter, which is not a good idea, but it do the job as long as you know how you do it. The key thing is when you take out this bracket, you have to make sure that you don't break the enamel. How do you do that? You have to make sure that you hold the tooth and release the slight pressure, engaging the metal brackets, and separate it gently, and you hear those clicks out. As you can see, I completely remove that. The next step that we will do is we will remove all the composites that's been attached to the enamel for months. So it is important to use the diamond bolt, remove it. This is a step where the dentist will get involved as well, the orthodontist, for the dentist. The clinician to remove this one depends on each country. For this in the United States, the dentist has to be the one doing this. So we remove those composite material and making sure that all the stain being removed completely. You don't want to remove the enamel, so you need to know where to stop. So with the experience of the dentist, we will stop exactly where the surface of the enamel is, and then we will use the later on we'll show you the step that we're using the polishing disc to polish the enamel, make it shiny. And so as you can see, we're doing the same thing on the bottom, which remove all those composites. This is also the opportunity for you to reshape any irregular enamel up inside the edge. You even it out, make the tooth more perfect. You can actually also use either very skinny diamond burr, fine diamond burr to do this procedure, or you would use the disc to polish and balance the enamel inside there that I'm talking about. Anyway, this is a step where you're getting excited because you want to try to really redefine and finish your cake as best as possible. And also remove the lingual part there. We put some composite in there. Now is the part that we're talking about, which is this. We have to remove that using the core disc, and then medium core, and then fine core. And anyway, this is how we finish the cake. You should have seen the cake before, and this is the after. But you know, originally the patient have a lot of crowded teeth on the back. This video is just for the instruction how to remove brackets. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Have a great day and subscribe to see more.